Hello, I'm Chris Matherly. This is a video Morel report for May the 7th, 2019. Alright, reports of the last 7 to 10 days. Believe it or not, right on the coast, Anchorage, Alaska comes in with one little Morel. California has some finds. Some burn areas coming on in California now. Colorado. Idaho's picking up a little bit higher elevations now. Illinois is blowing up, central and north now. Got the Illinois foray coming up this coming weekend. Indiana, central and north, blowing up. Lots and lots of reports. Iowa's really coming on strong now. Kansas, northern half of the state, is at peak. Maryland, we have some reports. Massachusetts, we have some reports. Little ones in the higher elevations there. Michigan, still really slow in the north. Just some baby blacks up north, but grays as far north as central Michigan. Minnesota, mostly southeastern Minnesota, but it's starting to go a little further north, especially with some blacks being found. Missouri, northern half of the state, at or past peak. Nebraska, central is at peak, northern is just starting. New Jersey, some reports. New York, some reports. Ohio. We just had the Ohio foray. Here is some video from that.
Nice.
Oh, bag of rafts, a big bag of rafts.
I have broken so many hair.
And then I found a tree.
Our newbies that had been diligently searching for 3 years, never found a Morel. They had beginner's luck and found a Matherly.
Make it look like home.
I have pictures.
Yeah, it's probably dead bark on the ground? Was the bark on the ground where you found them?
Half of it was.
Right.
Three things that I was stuck.
So that.
And then here's some reports from Ohio. It's at peak in central to north. Oklahoma, believe it or not, still one report there. Really big old ones. Oregon going slow still. It's been cool and it's just not really warmed up, and it's just going slow in Oregon. Pennsylvania. At or above peak. Oh, Jackson's going to do a photo bomb. Come here. You saw Fisher last week. Here's Jackie. Hey, Jackie. What you doing? Oh, Fisher come out too. Well, we got you last week. Pennsylvania's doing real well. At or above peak in the south end central part of Pennsylvania. We got a report from Rhode Island. South Dakota had a report of black morels in the Black Hills area. Virginia now is past peak in the lower elevations, but getting going on strong, higher above 4,000 feet. Washington coming on slow still, but we have some reports more so in the eastern part of Washington, around Spokane. Wisconsin is really coming on strong. It's not at peak in the south yet, but it is gaining strength. West Virginia is just like Virginia. It's past peak in the lower elevations, but higher elevations and north slopes is still going on strong. Then we also had some chicken of the woods reported in several states now this week. Tennessee, Georgia, Indiana, Kansas, Louisiana, Missouri, North Carolina, and West Virginia reporting chicken of the woods. And then Pennsylvania, we had a report of golden oysters. All right, Fisher's going to help me with the forecast for the upcoming week as I keep the mosquitoes off of me. All right, Fisher, what do you say? The peak areas are going to be northern half of Nebraska, very northern Kansas, central and northern Illinois, northern Indiana, northern Ohio, northern half of Pennsylvania, more inland in New England, the southern half of Michigan, very southern part of Wisconsin, and southern part of Minnesota. Those are going to be the big ones. And then the Pacific Northwest is still going on slow. It's slowly getting better. Mosquitoes are tearing me up out here, so I'm going to hurry up this. I think Michigan, northern half of Michigan is at least a week to 10 days late spring. And Minnesota and northern half of Wisconsin also at least a week to 10 days late. Happy hunting. We'll see you in the woods.
Best soup I've ever had in my life. It's amazing.
Well, you guys picked them, so I put them in. We got
It's
a lot of mushrooms in
incredible.
there.
You're an incredible cook.
A lot of stuff in there. Glad you enjoy it.